Just arrived here at Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this gorgeous 2019 GMC Yukon Denali SUV. On the outside of this Yukon, you'll find power and heated door mirrors, high-intensity discharge headlights, blind spot monitoring system, remote keyless entry, remote start, power liftgate, and rear backup camera. Inside, we have comfortable leather seating for 7 with heated and power front seats, power tilt sliding sunroof, wireless charging pad, and push-to-start technology. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen display is preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto to keep you connected. This 2019 GMC Yukon Denali has less than 100,000 miles and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.